Everybody come to transit.
Wait for my drifters, please.
We can see him coming heat sink.
They're rushing containment. Let's take them out.
We got enough people here?
Wait for the drifters.
Wait
for the drifters. I'm bringing them all together. They're gonna come. It's
Yo,
gonna be epic.
Containment.
They're gonna get containment soon.
we gotta go.
Wait, hold on.
We need to go, yes. Go.
No, wait. The drifters are. They have maximum speed. Just wait. They're coming.
Alright, here they come. Look at that drifter train.
Okay, hold on. I got a second base.
Go.
Yo, Beacon. Yes.
And we dropped a hive on their trailer.
The ultimate teabag.
I'm sorry, I just had to do it.
Fucking beat us.
How many Onos did we melt? How many Onos did we melt?
I don't know. I feel like you melted 0 Onoses.
I was one of them. I came around that corner and there were fucking 7 HMGs. They fucked me in 2 seconds.
How about them drifters? Those drifters were ridiculous.
I didn't know Onos can be killed so quickly.
Time that fucking command chair died.